Hi, it's Jason from Jason's Jungle. I'm doing my second crop of potatoes today. I have 30 litre buckets and I have 10 litre flower buckets. I'm planting, Maris Pear, and I'm putting 3 spuds into the large buckets, 1 spud into the small buckets. Okay, the large buckets are on the water trough that I used last year, and the small buckets are on a grow bag tray that can be filled with water so they can soak it up. Okay, I'll show you what I've been doing with them. It's in here, I've mixed in the soil blood, fish and bone. I used about a scoopful this size for that, and a scoop and a half of chicken manure. Come through here, there's some capillary matting that goes down to the trough underneath, and that will wick up all the water and keep the soil moist. 3 spuds in here, as I said, and 1 spud in the small one. So hopefully this will give us a reasonable crop this year. I have a few other buckets to do that aren't going to be sitting on troughs because I've only got the 1 trough. I'm going to get on with them and I will see you later.